Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today is 23rd of August 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 23rd of August 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, which Indian cricketer has been recommended for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award by National Sports Award Committee? Answer is Rohit Sharma. When will the first ever World Solar Technology Summit be held? Answer is September 8th. Who has been appointed as the new governor of Meghalaya recently? Answer is Satyapal Malik. Which institute ranked first in the list of top innovative educational institutes in India? Answer is IIT Madras. Fifth question was, how many Indian villages will be connected with optical fiber in next 1000 days? Answer is 6 lakhs. Who heads the committee formed by the central government to reconsider minimum age for marriage for women? Answer is Jaya Jetli. Who is the author of the book titled Our Only Home, A Climate Appeal to the World? Answer is Dalai Lama. Who has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Uzbekistan? Answer is Manish Prabhat. Ninth question was, the book Corona Kavita Kal, which has been recently published by the Mizoram CM Zoramthanga, has been written by Dash. Answer is P.S. Sridharan Pillai. He is the governor of Mizoram. And last question was, which of the following state government has recently launched Elo Chain platform? Answer is Nagaland. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we'll start today's video. Our first question is, who has become the new IPL title sponsor? Answer is option number 2, Dream 11. Dream 11 is a fantasy sports platform, and recently Dream 11 on August 18, 2020 has won IPL 2020's title sponsorship bid for rupees 2022 crore. Answer will be option number 2, Dream 11. Next, who took oath as the new Goa governor on August 19, 2020? Answer is option number 3, Bhagat Singh Koshari. Look at the image, this is Bhagat Singh Koshari. He is the governor of Maharashtra, and recently he has been given the additional charge as governor of Goa. Answer will be option number 3, Bhagat Singh Koshari. Goa, look at the map, this is Goa. It was formed on 13th of May 1987. Its capital is Panji. Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshari. Chief Minister is Pramod Sawant. Its legislature has 40 seats. 2 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 1 member is elected to Rajya Sabha from Goa. Goa is the smallest state by area and the 4th smallest by population in India. Its borders are associated with Maharashtra and Karnataka. Mandobi and Juari are the main rivers of Goa. Next, which Indian Sports Authority will be providing immediate support to 61 athletes who are not employed due to the COVID-19 pandemic? Answer is option number 2, Hockey India. Recently, Hockey India has announced immediate support for 61 athletes who are not employed due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The athletes include both junior and senior male and female athletes. Answer will be option number 2, Hockey India. Hockey India, it is a governing body of all activities for both men and women's hockey in India. It is recognized by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Government of India as the sole body responsible towards promoting hockey in India. It was founded in 2009. Headquarters is in New Delhi, and currently President of Hockey India is Mohammad Mustaq Ahmed. Next, Indian government has set the target of 10% bioethanol blending of petrol by Dash. Answer is option number 1, 2022. Recently, the government of India has set the target of 10% bioethanol blending of petrol by 2022 and to raise it to 20% by 2030. Under the Ethanol Blended Program, the Ethanol Blended Program was launched in line with the National Biofuels Policy 2018. Currently, the bioethanol blending in petrol stands at 5%. Answer will be option number 1, 2022. Next question, who has been appointed as the new Director General or DG of BSF? Answer is option number 1, Rakesh Asthana. Look at the image, this is Rakesh Asthana. He is an IPS officer of 1984 batch, and recently he has been appointed as the new Director General of BSF. BSF long form is Border Security Force. It is India's primary border guarding organization on its borders with Pakistan and Bangladesh. It was formed on 1st of December 1965. Its headquarters is in New Delhi. Next question, who has been honored with the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister's Special Award recently? Answer is option number 3, Soumya Swaminathan. Soumya Swaminathan is currently Chief Scientist of WHO, that is World Health Organization, and recently she has been honored with Tamil Nadu Chief Minister's Special Award in recognition for her advisory role in combating the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic in the Tamil Nadu. Answer will be option number 3. Soumya Swaminathan. Tamil Nadu, this is Tamil Nadu, capital is Chennai, Governor is Banwarilal Purohit, Chief Minister is Irapadi K. Palaniswamy. Its legislature has 234 members, 39 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 18 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the 10th largest by area and 6th largest by population in India. Also, Tamil Nadu is the 3rd largest state having coastline at about 906.9 km. It borders with Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry, and Bharatanatyam is the main dance form of Tamil Nadu. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Humanitarian Day annually? Answer is option number 1, 19th August. Every year, 19th August is celebrated as World Humanitarian Day worldwide. It is established by United Nations General Assembly to commemorate the death of Sergio Vera de Mello and 21 of his fellow humanitarians in a bombing of Baghdad headquarters of the United Nations. Answer will be option number 1, 19th August. Next, which of the following state government has announced to launch Padhai Tuhar Para scheme? Answer is option number 2, Chhattisgarh. Recently, Chhattisgarh state government has announced to launch Padhai Tuhar Para scheme. Under this scheme, school students will be able to learn in their respective localities in view of the suspension of classes due to the coronavirus outbreak. Answer will be option number 2, Chhattisgarh. This is Chhattisgarh. It was formed on 1st of November 2000. Earlier it was under Madhya Pradesh. Its capital is Raipur. Governor is Anusuya Uike. Chief Minister is Bhupesh Baghel. Its legislature has 90 seats. 11 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 5 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Chhattisgarh. It is the 9th largest state by area and 17th largest state by population in India. It borders with Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Telangana and Maharashtra, and Mahanadi, Godavari, Narmada, Rihand and Indravati are the main rivers of Chhattisgarh. Which of the following day is celebrated as Indian Akshay Urja Day? Answer is option number 2, 20th August. Every year, 20th August is celebrated as Akshay Urja Day in India. It is celebrated to raise awareness about the development of renewable energy in India. It is celebrated since 2004 to commemorate the birthday of former Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi. Answer will be option number 2, 20th August. Next, to provide information related to health and nutrition of tribal population of India, which portal has been launched by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs recently? Answer is option number 2, SOST. Recently, SOST portal has been launched by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and the portal is first of its kind. It provides information related to health and nutrition of the tribal population of India. It will also act as an integrated source of information about research study, innovative practices, case studies and best practices that were collected from the different parts of the country. Answer will be option number 2, SOST. Next, which state government has decided to provide rupees 50 lakh insurance cover to private doctors who die of COVID-19 infection? Answer is option number 2, Maharashtra. Recently, Maharashtra state government has decided to extend rupees 50 lakh insurance cover to private doctors who died of coronavirus infection during the COVID-19 pandemic. Answer will be option number 2, Maharashtra. Maharashtra, this is Maharashtra. It was formed on 1st of May 1960. Its capital is Mumbai. Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshari. Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray. Its legislature has 288 plus 78 members. That is, in Vidhan Sabha there are 288 members and in Vidhan Parishad there are 78 members. 48 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 19 members elected to Rajya Sabha from Maharashtra. It is the 3rd largest state by area and 2nd largest by population in India. It borders with Goa, Karnataka, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Godavari and Krishna are the main rivers and Maharashtra is the 3rd most urbanized state in India. Next question, Nai Udan is the scheme launched by which ministry? Answer is option number 4, Ministry of Minority Affairs. Recently, the Ministry of Minority Affairs has launched the scheme named Nai Udan. The scheme has been launched for support to minority students for preparation of mains examination who clear prelim conducted by UPSC, Staff Selection Commission and State Service Public Commissions. Answer will be option number 4, Ministry of Minority Affairs. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Lung Cancer Day? Answer is option number 2, 1st August. Every year, 1st August is celebrated as World Lung Cancer Day? It is celebrated to raise awareness about the causes and treatment of the lung cancer and its global impact, creating an educational moment to understand the risk of lung cancer and early treatment around the world. Answer will be option number 2, 1st of August. Now today's question is, which state government planned to launch country's first electric vehicle park? Options are Tamil Nadu, Uttarakhand, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.